Hello and welcome back to our GreenScenario tutorial series. Let's have a look at the only other kind of geometrical input that GreenScenario components can accept, and these will be points. And as I mentioned, it's only true for trees. So if first of all, I'll just select these two and then I'll enable them. And then what we will need to do is, you can see here, it's already telling us that we need some points in the drawing. So I'll just create a few points and let's just put some of them in where the building is, and let's just put it on top of the building. And then now I can just select multiple points. So for example, select these three, and by default we're planting a tree of a deciduous type that is 10 meters in diameter. We can change it and its size, and you can see that immediately the size has an effect on mostly these green related parameters over here. Also, whether it's a preserved or a planted tree, both the colors change, but also their impact on the calculations over here. And we can also choose a different type that's an evergreen, that's a deciduous tree. And there's literally zero limitations to how the trees are being calculated. You can see trees can actually live outside of the site perimeter and still be counted towards our calculations KPIs over here. And the trees can also be, at any elevation. So, for example, if we were to move it back to the ground, but add two more trees, and let's just set these two over here. I need to set multiple points and select the points that I have created over here, and then connect them to our scenarios, and make them a deciduous and a smaller tree because it's planted on the rooftop, and make these smaller as well so that they are not too big. And so this way we can very quickly add more vegetation to the drawing.